This is a video on staffing companies in India. Agenda for this video: what are the types of staffing companies in India, scope of services provided by them, terms and conditions for offering the services, service level agreements, payment of fee and terms, industry focus, clients serviced, the recruitment and selection process, and the sourcing approach. The types of staffing companies in India currently are permanent staffing, contract staffing, managed service provider, RPOs or recruitment process outsourcing companies, payroll companies, flexi staffing companies, executive search, freelance recruiters, and remote recruiters. Permanent staffing. This is a method where a client company will take the help to hire candidates on full-time employment basis. Staffing companies offer candidates who will be shortlisted. Staffing company will coordinate for scheduling interviews for both online and face-to-face. Staffing companies will be paid a one-time fee for the services rendered. Currently, it is calculated at 8.33% of the CTC or equivalent to 1 month's salary. The contract provides for a free replacement of candidates where the employee leaves the company within 3 months from the date of joining. Staffing company will keep in touch till the time of candidate onboarding. Terms and conditions for permanent staffing: a service level agreement for submission of validated profiles. A master service agreement is entered into by the client company and staffing vendor with all terms and conditions. Most consulting firms work at 8.33% commission, or which is equivalent to a month's pay. Fee based on the annualized CTC of candidates minus the retirals. Replacement of poor performers. The contract provides for a free replacement of resources which leaves the company within 3 months from the date of joining. Payment terms: most companies pay after 2 months from the date of joining of the candidate. The agreement between the vendor and client company is generally 1 year, which is renewed on a yearly basis. The validity of the profile submitted by the vendor to the client stands at 2 months from the date of submission. Contract staffing. Why contract staffing? A specific skill set only for a short term is required by the client company, and they will approach contract staffing companies to provide resources for short term basis. Contractors are preferred when the company requires on an immediate basis. The cost of hiring contractors is much lesser than the cost of hiring full-time employees. Employees can be tested to see if he or she is a fit for the full-time job and converted to be permanent employees later. Approved headcount is required to have full-time employees on board. Most MNC companies follow a healthy mix of full-time employees and contractors at 50:60 ratio. The preferred for skills is around 6 years and below. The contract resources have work experience up to 6 years are considered to be deployed at client locations. Client company will take the help to hire candidates for a specific period of contract. Staffing company offers candidates who will be shortlisted. Client company furnishes a rate card for the skills. Staffing company will be paid on the basis of the rate card. Staffing company will submit timesheets authorized by the project manager. Employee salary and benefits will be taken care of by the staffing company. The terms and conditions for contract staffing companies: the client will provide a vendor with a rate card which varies from different skills. Generally, a markup of 20 plus on the cost is allowed. The contract provides for a replacement of poor performance, submission of timesheets in a timely manner, and then submission of invoices. Duration of contract is around 6 months to 9 months to 1 year. Payments to the vendors are done 45 plus or 60 plus. Work location is client location. For example, if the resource is working at IBM, the contract resource has to report to work at the client location. Employee payroll, benefits and allowances will be borne by the contracting vendor. In most of the contract staffing cases, there is a provision to hire the contract resources on a full-time basis. This is called contract to hire. Client company will take the help to hire candidates for a specific period of contract. After the expiry of the contract, the client will have two options: offer full-time employment for those candidates who are good workers. Other candidates who are not offered will stop working on the project and will report to contract vendor's office. This is a contract to hire process. It starts with engaging, discuss expectations, provide two best candidates for interview, conduct the interview process, selection and offer, confirm a start date, agree on the pay rate and the billing rate, make a final decision, and after the contract is over, if it is C2H, wait for the client confirmation. Another type of staffing company is executive search. Executive search is done for senior management roles as it requires clear understanding of key responsibilities. Talent pool is limited and most of them are well entrenched in the current position. Headhunting is a method where the client will give a list of target companies to help close a position. The time taken to fulfill a position is roughly 3 to 4 months from the start date. This is the process for executive search. Establish search premises and determine strategy, identifying, approaching and debriefing the candidates, initial screening and shortlisting, interviewing, offer and negotiation, follow the interview process, presenting the shortlisted candidate to the clients, and await for feedback from the client. In the executive search, the fees is roughly around 8.3% for 0 to 7 years experience, 12 to 15% of the CTC for 18 to 14 years of work experience, 20% and above for those candidates with more than 15 years of experience. This is about payroll company. Payroll outsourcing companies in and manage end-to-end payroll requirements of clients. These include employee salaries, overall payroll related reports, managing tax and compliance, leave and attendance, and many more services. This reduces the complexity of organization's payroll processing and makes the entire process very reliable and flexible. Functions involve balancing and reconciling payroll data and reporting taxes. The payroll department takes care of wage deductions, record keeping, and verifying the reliability of data. Set pay policy, define pay components, collect payroll inputs, gross and net salary calculation, distribute pay slips, deposit and report dues like tax related source, provident fund, ESI, etc. Benefits. Payroll company help in processing professional services of the company. They do not need to worry about complex rules and calculations which change often. They are ready to access better reports instantly. They have access to experts in payroll processing and payroll management field, enhanced data security including backups and redundancy mechanisms. They can avoid investments in technology and related upgrades. Another variety of staffing company is recruitment process outsourcing. This is an activity where starts with manpower planning, sourcing of profiles, screening, interview process management, offer and contract management, employee aftercare, and recruitment analysis, dashboard and reports. Recruitment process outsourcing is quite simply using the expertise of external recruitment professionals to manage the internal recruitment of a business. In other words, you entrust your company recruitment cycle to a third party. The positions in the company are filled quickly and effectively. Company brand as an employer also gets enhanced, in turn draws high quality talent. It is a great step to enhancing your company's talent acquisition process, which will allow you to align your recruiting with your business strategy to meet your company goals. When to go for RPO? In case of bulk hiring, in case of quick capacity building, minimum cost and maximum benefit. We will have on-site hiring team, quick turnaround time, multi-location hiring, vanilla skills hiring. For a specific number of positions, RPO is resorted to. This will not increase the internal headcount of hiring team.